For this assignment, we are also going to generate some learning tools to help us learn more effectively and efficiently so we can learn things faster and better. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to something called NotebookLM. And so you can just go to Google and you could search for NotebookLM. And if you search for NotebookLM here at Google, you get taken to, or one of the links that will come up is NotebookLM. And NotebookLM was created by Google. So when you come here, you could take any content and you could have it generate learning resources for you. So let me show you how to do that. And then I'll tell you what you need to submit to get credit for this exercise. So at NotebookLM, I'm going to choose to create a new notebook. These are all my different notebooks that I've already created. And right here, I could choose Create New. Again, at the time of this recording, this is how you do it. But by the time you watch this video, it might be slightly different. Everything is always changing now, faster than ever, it seems. So if Create New is not right here, or if the interface looks different, just apply yourself and try to figure it out. And if you can't figure it out, let the tutor know. And if the tutor can't figure it out, let me know. And the tutor for this class, and then we'll create a new video. But here I'm going to click Create New right there. It brings me in. It says, hey, you need to add some sources. So again, right here, I could upload information resources from any class. And so in our class, you know, if you go to like our modules, we have different pieces of information resources, including like this PowerPoint. But maybe, you know, if you're in another class, biology, physics, chemistry, sociology, psychology, history, English, right? You know, like maybe you ask your professor for the PowerPoint that they used in class, or you could even take pictures of your textbook. So with your phone, you could just take pictures of content, like maybe you're seeing your textbook on the screen somewhere. You could take pictures of that with your phone, and then you could upload those pictures. And I think that NotebookLM, I haven't actually tried pictures, so you know, it supports certain file types. It'll even take audio, MP3, which is pretty amazing. So if you wanted to, you could record all of your lectures as you go to class and then upload those files, right? So you could figure out how to record your lecture in class when you're in some other class. You could get that audio file like an MP3, and it looks like you could upload that here. I'm going to upload a file it doesn't like, which is a PPT. And I'm doing that so we could see all of the different file types that are here. So we got PDF, text, Markdown. I don't know what those file types are right there. And then we have MP3. You can do a WAV, right? But PDF is here and a text file is here. And so, so I need to convert my presentation to PDF. And to do that, I'm going to take my presentation. I'm here at Google Drive. And at Google Drive, I'm going to click on Settings up here in the top right corner. I'm going to click on Settings and go to Settings. And inside Settings, I'm going to make sure that here under Uploads, I convert uploads to Google Docs editor format, right? So I want to make sure that's checked, which it is. And then I'm going to bring that PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to drag it and drop it into Google Drive. It's going to upload it to Google Drive, and it's going to convert that into a Google, what do they call it? Google Slides, right? It's Google's form of PowerPoint, it's Google Presentations. And so here is that PowerPoint presentation that I just uploaded. I double click it, I open it, right? So I double clicked it here, I open it, and then here I could go File and I could go Download. I could say Download as a PDF, right? So I converted that PowerPoint through that process into a PDF. And with that converted, I could come over here and I downloaded that PDF, and now I could drag this PDF and I could drop it here, and it's uploading this PDF, okay? So I could upload text files, PDFs, and audio files, MP3s or WAV files. I think that's a really interesting use case to be able to record your class lectures with your phone. So you could get recording apps, and then to take that, and you know, my phone comes with a recording app. So you could just go to your apps area and search for record, see if there's a record app. And then to take that audio file and drop it in here, and it's going to upload that audio file. And when that or whatever files you've uploaded, so you could add more files, you can now come over here and you could do some interesting stuff in this studio area, okay? So one, you could chat about the documents you've uploaded, and you know, you could ask questions of those documents. But this is what we're going to do for this assignment. We're going to go to the studio area and we're going to choose to generate a deep dive conversation. So this generates a podcast. So I'm going to click generate there. And then I'm also going to choose to generate a briefing doc, a study guide, and an FAQ. Now you'll notice in our course, I've already generated all of these for our course. We have a briefing doc, an FAQ, we have a podcast, and we have a study guide. All of these have been generated. I just asked it to generate based upon this content here, but that I uploaded, and that's what you need to do. But to see what that stuff looks like, we could come in here and we could click on any of these links. And so you could do this on your own time, and you could see what the briefing doc looks like. You could see what the FAQ looks like. You can see what the study guide looks like, and you can see what the podcast looks like. So this is just going to be another way for you to generate learning tools to help you in any other class that you're taking. And for this assignment, you need to upload some kind of material from this class or from some other class, preferably from some other class, as I've already done it for all of the PowerPoint presentations in our class. So upload some material. It could be a PowerPoint presentation that you converted to a PDF from some other class, or it could be a lecture that you recorded from some other class. You need to upload that, or it could be like material your teacher has given you. Upload that here and then generate the podcast, generate the study guide, the FAQ, and the briefing doc. When this is all done generating, I want you to take a picture of this right here, this studio area that shows, right? That shows, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, right? So I'm going to load this podcast, but it'll show here, and it'll take a moment to load it. It'll show the podcast, this deep dive conversation. It'll show the briefing doc, the study guide, and the FAQ. Take a picture of this, and then you're going to upload this. You're going to upload it to receive credit for this assignment. Okay, so upload it, upload that image. And so you could take this image just by taking a picture with your cell phone. Let me take a picture of that. Or a better way where you will get a better image is you could take a screenshot, okay? And so if you don't know how to take a screenshot, you could come into ChatGPT or some other AI, and you can say, how do I take a screenshot on Windows and on Mac, right? And you could ask ChatGPT, some other AI, to explain to you how you take a screenshot on either Windows or on a Mac. And when it does that, you could come in and take a screenshot that way, and then upload that screenshot of this area right here just to show that you did that. So go ahead and do this hands-on exercise. I will see you next time. See you next time.